My name is Marietta Mehanni, and this week's Aqua Tip is a really good coordination one. What we're doing is an alternating leg rocking horse. So let's clarify that. We are going to use one dumbbell, but let's look at the alternating rocking horse. So right leg in front, left leg back, left leg forward, right leg back. So I'm going from one side to the other. Now, I love this move. I love how this leg swings from the back to the front. It always feels really good to me, especially when I'm working with a long lever. Feels fantastic. Now, the arms are also going to be alternating. Now, what you can do is you can go same side, so dumbbell in the right hand, pull back as the right leg lifts up in front, sweep both arms forward, pull back with the dumbbell in your left hand, sweep forwards. And someone's trying to call me in the middle of doing an Aqua Tip. What? Oh well, I've got my phone, it only rings 3 times. So that's the 3rd ring, and we shall continue. So, right leg up with the dumbbell in your right hand, left leg swings forward, dumbbell in the left hand, over, back. Notice I'm not rocking and opening the legs out, just taking everything to the front, pull, sweep forwards. So you've got to pull and you go sweep out in front, down. It's like this butterfly action. Can you do it with the opposite leg? Yes, you can. That means that your dumbbell's in your right hand, but you're lifting up your left leg instead of your right leg. Here. Does it feel different? Not much different. You will need quite slow tempo music for this, because it's a big movement. The difference between holding it in my right hand or my left hand in regards to the same side or opposite side didn't really make that much of a difference as far as how my body felt. But it's such a big, powerful movement. I love it. Remembering that the hand that's not holding the dumbbell, keep the fingers open to create the turbulence, to be able to create that big, beautiful movement pattern. Great exercise. You might need to practice it before you teach it to your clients. And that is this week's Aqua Tip. This particular movement does require a lot of coordination. So I'm going to show you some options of how you can build up to being able to teach this particular move. So you might actually like to start with teaching the arms. So pull back, come forwards, and you might like to do it with just one arm. And then you might like to do it with the other arm. So I'm just giving you the options here. And then teach your clients to remember to switch hands as they bring the dumbbell forward. Then what you might like to do is just do the rocking horse on one side. So if you've got the dumbbell in the right hand, you're using your right leg rocking horse, go back, come forwards, pull back, come forwards, pull back, come forwards. Remembering to remind your participants to keep their fingers really wide and to emphasize the drag through the water. They want to feel that this arm is working as hard as that arm. And so you pull back when the leg goes up. Always remember to do that. Pull back when the leg goes up. Pull it in, come back. Pull it in. So that free arm's going to work hard. Then you might like to teach it again on the opposite side using the left leg. Hello, Russell. And then you might like to go, all right, hold the dumbbell still, for example. Let's do a rocking horse and alternate legs. So that might be the next thing that you need to teach them. And then pull back, switch hands, pull back, switch hands, pull back, switch hands. Now, from a demonstration point of view, you really don't need a chair or a frame or anything else. It's not a hard one to demonstrate on land. But I do recommend that instead of just doing everything facing them and alternating legs, from an instructing point of view, it does actually make more sense if you open your legs out a little wider, because it clearly demonstrates which leg's going forwards. And of course, you can choose which arm is going to pull back. As I mentioned in the pool, there wasn't that much difference between having the right arm, the dumbbell in the right hand with the right leg lifted, or the dumbbell in the left hand with the right leg lifted. So there wasn't really that much difference. It does add an element of challenge if you're choosing to put both of those options in your class. I wouldn't, but be specific. I would definitely have either or, either this one or that one, but I would not put them in the same track unless you want to do a little bit of work with aerobics, and so you want to actually challenge them mentally. But I wanted to go through the teaching pattern. This has got mileage because you've got all these different steps to teach the class, and I really like this move. There's something about that leg swinging through to the front. I really love it. Try it in the pool. If you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe. And that is this week's Aqua Tip.